You have asked how to remove top and bottom cover stitching. So here is how to do it. The principle is the same as with any other cover stitching. We always start from the end, from the last stitches. Remove the last few, 1 or 2 needle stitches. So in my case, it's going to be 3 needles. I'm removing the very, very last stitches. Of course, try not to stab your fabric, like me. Then you can remove the looper thread, so the thread at the back. If it gets stuck, you can pull on the fabric slightly or remove a couple of needle stitches again. And finally, you can remove all the other stitches, all the other threads, so the needles and the upper looper or the spreader. Okay, let's do it again without snagging the fabric this time. By the way, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Don't pull on the looper thread, the little tail on top, or you are going to log the stitches even more. I usually remove up to 3 stitches for each needle. It should be enough. The most important thing is to unpick from the end, not from the beginning. So last, not first needle stitches. Then you can easily remove the looper thread at the back of your project, and finally all the other threads. It's very easy. Still, I hope you don't have to do it a lot.